lastly, one thing I want to mention is shipping rules. So if you want to optimize the system and how it works, we can actually use shipping rules to let the system select the best label for us. So right now I have two CRL48 labels saved up here. Any new label I add, I can actually select them. If I want something to apply for a certain sales channel, I can set it from here. So this top rule right now will only trigger for my Shopify orders. Once I click on configure, I can set my conditions, basically what the system should look for when an order comes in, decide on this label for me. So for CRL48, I have information from my courier that those always need to be between 0 and 2 kilos. And also can only be used for orders that have a maximum of 2 items inside. Once that is done, I can save my option. And now, if these two criteria are confirmed by the software that they're active, along with the supported countries, of course, the system will automatically select this CRL48 for me. If I have a larger type of service for larger boxes, then I can actually set that one up. Let's say a large letter service for parcels that are between 2 and 4 kilos, and do the same thing for any other labels we have. This way, when I batch process 15 orders at once, I don't have to think about the items that are inside. All I need to think about is just how to get my labels. Thank you for watching.